Hi there, this is LD once again from Digital Guides TV at ito po yung pagbabalik natin for a very long time na hindi tayo nakapaggawa ng mga videos. Meron po akong isi-share sa inyo na pwede nating pagkakitaan kahit po tayo ay nag-shopping lamang sa Lazada or sa Shopee. Wala kayong ibang gagawin kundi ang mag-shop lang to the max using your Shopee or Lazada or any other favorite shopping apps or website na available ngayon sa market o kahit pa magta-travel kayo, kahit pa pupunta kayo sa ibang lugar or mag-out of town kayo, pwede kayong kumita sa pamamagitan ng paraan na isi-share ko sa inyo. Kaya kung gusto nyo malaman, panoorin nyo itong video hanggang sa huli. Okay, so ito na yung sinabi ko kanina sa introduction natin guys na pwede tayong kumita ng up to 10,000 pesos per month while shopping with our favorite Lazada and Shopee apps or iba pang mga websites no na merong online shopping capabilities. So ito po yung guys yung sabi ko sa inyo na magkakaroon tayo ng extra income while we are shopping with Lazada or Shopee application. So ito po yung tinatawag na shopback. Ano po yung shopback? It is the world's most rewarding way to shop. Ito po yung paraan kung saan tayong mga shoppers or tayong mga consumers ay bibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng rebates or cashback from our purchases with these shopping apps like Lazada or Shopee. So according po dito sa website ng Shopback, we save members money and time and deliver delightful experiences with every purchase. We enable merchants and brand to engage our members to grow effectively. Magkaiba po ito sa affiliate program kasi yung affiliate ay ipopromote mo yung products, no? At based sa mga purchases or sa mga actions na iti-take ng mga followers mo or yung sa mga tao na mag-click doon sa link nyo ay magkakaroon kayo ng commission. But in this approach, tayo po ay direct na consumer ay magkakaroon po tayo ng pagkakataon na babalikan tayo ng rebates from Shopback company. Shopback was founded in Singapore in 2014 to make shopping more rewarding, delightful, and accessible. We offer smart shopping experiences to users across Asia Pacific while helping brand and retailers in the region increase outreach and engage shoppers. So, nakipag-partner po si Shopback with merchants or yung mga brand owners, no? Na magkaroon sila ng partnership para po na sila na yung magpo-promote ng kanilang product, itong si Shopback. While Shopback also is attracting users para po gumamit ng kanilang websites upang sa gayon ay magkakaroon sila or mabibigyan nila ng rebates itong mga members nila na gagamit ng websites nila or application. Shopback Pay and Pay Later. We now extend our platforms offering into financial services, providing shoppers with more convenient payment options. So yun po yung options ni Shopback sa ngayon. I'm not sure kung available na in the Philippines but I think it's in Malaysia and Singapore available na po siya. So tatalakayin natin mamaya yan. So let's go back to the history of Shopback. Shopback through the years. So in 2014, it is started in Singapore, no, by Henry Chan and Joel Liang. Like for example, I as a shopper or consumer ng isang product, mas gugustuhin ko po na mag-shopping doon sa isang website or application kung meron ako mga rebates, di ba? Kagaya ng sa Shopee, kapag ako ay mag-shop doon sa Shopee application ay tinitingnan ko po yung mga vouchers available doon, yung mga freebies nila. So yun po ang tinitingnan ko. I'm looking for a certain product na meron mga mga cashbacks or mga rebates or vouchers. So marami namang nagtitinda doon na pare-pareho yung mga items na binibenta nila, pero meron doon mga certain sellers na meron silang binibigay na cash rebate or coins rebates or something like that or vouchers sa kanilang mga shoppers. So ganun din po si Shopback, parang ganun yung ginagawa niya na while you are a member with Shopback, you are given a privilege to have the rebate with a certain percentage. Like for example, in Lazada and Shopee, I think Shopee is up to 15% and Lazada is up to 60%. Right? So we will discuss that one later. And in 2015 to 2017, sharing the joy with our neighbors. So yung Shopback from Singapore, lumipat or nakarating na siya sa Philippines and Malaysia. and Indonesia. So Shopback entered Malaysia and Philippines in 2015 and Indonesia in 2016. Nakarating sila sa Taiwan and Thailand, right? In 2017, nakarating sila sa Thailand and Taiwan, and also in 2018, meron na rin sila sa Australia, no? So they have also physical stores there sa mga areas na ito. So if you are residing in these countries in South Asia Pacific, in Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, Singapore, Philippines, and Australia, then you can avail with this privilege or shopback rebates system. Kahit sa pandemic time, nag-expand pa rin sila. Nakarating sila doon sa South Korea and Vietnam in 2020, in the first quarter of 2020. Just imagine, while there is a pandemic all around the world, meron din silang ginawa na expansion sa kanilang business, right? So, ganun kaganda po yung shopback. Kasi kung hindi siya maganda, hindi sila mag-expand all throughout the region. In 2021 to 2022, meron silang payment focus. An integral part of the shopping experience is payments. Yes, it's true. And Shopback acquired buy now, pay later. Save more when you pay smarter. Supercharge your reward with Shopback Pay and Cash and checkout. And when waiting is not an option, pay later lets you buy it now and pay later up to 3 months installment. So just imagine 3 months in installment yan ni Shopback, no? Meron tayong mga iba't ibang categories kung saan uh, kung tayo ay mag-shopping with these categories, meron tayong makukuha na rebates. So, ang most popular stores are yung Samsung, Agoda, Zalora, Trip.com, Booking.com, Traveloka, Shein, Nike, no? Ida Mama, Adidas, Food Panda, meron ding Uniqlo. Okay? So, if you are mahilig po kayong magta-travel, no? Lalo na ngayon, wala ng pandemic, mga tao ay gusto nang lumabas, no? So, kung magbubook kayo ng hotel with Agoda or Trip.com, so meron kayong mga rebates up to 6%, no? Kung pabook kayo ng ticket or hotel accommodation in Agoda. Ang Booking.com is 6% also, and if you are doing or booking your itinerary, travel itinerary in Klook, then you can also get a rebate up to 3%, no? Meron din silang sa Expedia, Travel Advisor, Traveloka, Emirates. So itong mga hotel and accommodations and also with the flights, no? So you can get rebates from these websites. Next, if you like sports and outdoor, if you like to buy shoes, then you can also have the rebates up to 20%. Si Adidas, grabe ang laki ng rebates na binibigay ni Adidas. Next, if you like dining, Food Panda, Grab Panda, SNR, Chowking, Metromart, and Pacific Bay. Meron din itong Frankies, I think Frankies, no? So, meron sila niyan, guys. So, if you like, if you mahilig po kayo sa mga Grab food, no? Pag nag-order kayo online, then you can have up to 1 peso. 1 peso cashback. Sa Food Panda is 4%. So, ito guys, ang napakaganda ngayon. So, ito yung offer na to is very limited po. Kahit hindi po kayo mag-shop or mag-refer lang po kayo ng inyong kaibigan na mag-sign up dito at mag-spend ng at least 300, I think 300 pesos, then you can avail or you can receive 100 pesos bonus. So join Shopback, get 100 pesos bonus with your friend. Okay? So kayo na nag-refer is makakatanggap kayo ng 100 pesos na bonus at saka yung ni-refer nyo din kapag siya ay nag-sign up, makakatanggap din siya ng 100 pesos na bonus o sign up bonus. Paano mag-sign up? So may bibigay ako na link dyan sa description below. Hanapin nyo lang po yung sign up for cashback account. So i-click nyo lang po yun para idiretso na po kayo doon kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-sign up. So pwede kayo mag-sign up using your Facebook or your email. For me, I prefer using my personal email, hindi po yung Facebook account ko, no? it depends po sa inyo kung ano po yung gusto niyong gamitin sa pag-sign up nito. Free naman po ito, and then i-verify nyo lang po yung account niyo, ilalagay nyo yung inyong address at magdagdag po kayo ng payout method nyo. Sa akin is Paymaya. Pwede silang sa GCash or Paymaya or sa bank transfer. So, yan, i-explore nyo lang po yung paano mag-sign up doon. So, paano po tayo makakuha ng 100 pesos na bonus, no? First is you have to refer your friend. So, if you want to sign up using my link or referral link, you can sign up using the referral link on the description below, or I will flash on the screen. You can scan this QR code that I'm going to flash on the screen. And you can create an account and then make a first shopping, no? Find an online store you like on the Shopback app or website and use the Shopback button as you shop. So kailangan na pag tayo ay mag-shop, dadaan po muna tayo doon sa app ni Shopback. Okay? So pwede tayong mag-install ng kanilang app or pwede rin sa website. And then once you spend of 300, I think 300, no? 300 pesos with the Shopback, approved ni Shopback yun, makakatanggap tayo ng rebates at saka yung ating referral bonus. So ito guys, paano po tayo maka-earn ng 10,000 pesos per month sa cashback? First is, magsha-shop tayo, kailangan nating gumamit ng Shopback app or website para po magkaroon tayo o makredit po dun sa ating account yung cashback natin or yung rebates. Halimbawa lang sa Shopee, it's up to 15% yung rebates natin. So, hindi natin i-maximize yung 15%. Kukuha lang tayo ng 5%, for example. No? You buy mobile phone worth 10,000 pesos. Sa ngayon, meron ng mga flagship phone doon sa Shopee din eh. Like for me, when I purchase my wife's phone, I use Shopee to purchase it, which is direct from the flagship store, which is hindi siya scam, guys, no? So, maybe next time, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-shop sa online na hindi tayo ma-scam ng mga sellers na bugos. So, for example, 10,000 lang po yung worth ng mobile phone na bibilihin nyo. Palagay natin 5% yung cashback na ibibigay ni cashback, yung rebates, no? So, magkakaroon tayo ng 500 pesos. So, hindi lang yan. Siyempre, bibili ka rin ng ibang mga gamit. In addition to that, magre-refer pa rin kayo ng inyong mga kaibigan na makapag-avail ng rebates, right? So, for example, meron kayong 100 na ma-refer within a month. Then, makakatanggap kayo ng 100 pesos referral bonus. Then, times 100, that is 10 pesos. Extra income yan, no? Extra income. So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan, paano tayo maka-earn ng up to 10,000 pesos a month. So that's all for today's video, and if you want me to make more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave your comment down below. Give me a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you will be notified in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Goodbye.